Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to select Apps section over here and tap on Dual Apps. Following that, choose Got It, tap on Create, and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. In my case, maybe AliExpress. Then choose Turn On and wait. Now when I go back and type in AliExpress, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!